I'm so excited. And the winner is McCarthy Plumbing Group.
Woo! Well done, team. Their Western Melbourne business philosophy is to provide an excellent plumbing service to their clients, delivering a customer experience with family spirit by their happy, talented team. They provide high-quality workmanship safely, on time and on budget. Well done, guys, as you make your way onto the stage. Our champion plumbing services, McCarthy Plumbing Group, Laverton North. Come on, a bigger cheer than that. Let's go. Give it up. Well done, guys.
Wow, thanks guys. Thanks to our team back in Victoria. We're very proud of what we do and who we have working for us. Thanks to Table 72 for your support. And I guess one thing for tonight that I want to look at or talk about is small business and what we all do and how proud we all are of what we do. We work late, we get up early, we sacrifice everything we do to do what we do. And it's about the why. So don't forget your why and why you do it, because that's the important part, whether that be money, whether that be time with your family. Don't forget the why. Thanks, guys.